I just wanted to do a really quick video on Kmart's new chalk paint. So I've sanded my table back, which was just a freebie off Facebook Marketplace. It was already like sanded a little bit. I used the little Black & Decker mouse sander, which was really good. I picked that up from Coles the other day. So let's paint. So I'm doing the chalk finish white. I've already opened it and dipped into it, given it a little go. So I just shook it before, otherwise you can stir it with a wooden paddle if you've got one. I'm just using a brush. So going in pretty thick. From what I've seen, chalk paint's pretty forgiving. So it doesn't really matter like a direction or thickness or whatever. I mean, get it pretty even. That was my little test patch just to make sure it looked all right before I went all in. So I'm just painting over that dried little bit there. It says it's touch dry within 30 minutes and then ready to do another coat in 2 hours is ready for another coat. I've got to go down to Bunnings and get something to seal it after this, because this is like, it's a coffee table, you're going to be using it all the time, so you don't want the chalk paint to rub off, which it will apparently if you don't seal it. So far I'm pretty happy with how it looks actually. I mean, $10 for a tin of paint, it should technically do the whole table. If not, I bought another tin. So far it's turned out pretty good. So this is the first coat, just on one side. It's a bit uneven in patches here, so I dipped back in, but you can still see the wood grain under, so second coat should cover it up, but it's pretty good. First coat, little skeptical, but I'll trust the process. Yeah. She's streaky, but the second coat might be better.